Welcome back to the channel. We are here with a new financial topic that can help you get out of your crucial financial crises. Today, we are going to discuss the no denial payday loans to direct lenders only, no credit check. So basically these are types of payday loans that are guaranteed. Once you apply for it, you definitely get the loan amount approved, and you need to pay off the loan by your next paycheck. Let's see what are the best platforms to apply for these loans. To visit the official websites of these lending platforms, follow the links in the description below. Top 5 no denial payday loans direct lenders only no credit check. Now we know what these no denial payday loans are. Now, let's look at some of the best platforms where you can get no denial payday loans direct lenders only, no credit checks with low interest rates, and easy approvals. Here are the top picks for the no denial payday loans direct lenders only, no credit check. Big Buck Loans. Big Buck Loans is a leading option for no credit check loans. It offers quick and easy approvals that are flexible, with loan amounts up to $5,000. Also, they have an easy and streamlined application process that makes borrowing easy, with repayment terms of the loan amount being between 3 to 24 months and interest rates ranging between 5.99% to 35.99%. To qualify for a loan at Big Buck Loans, you just need to have a steady $1,000 income source, be at least 18 years old, and have an active bank account. Viva Payday Loans. Next on our list, we have Viva Payday Loans, which are perfect for first-time borrowers who are new to the borrowing world and also for people who have no credit history. Viva Payday Loans have a range of highly reputable lenders offering loans from $100 to $5,000 with payment tenure on average between 3 to 24 months. The interest rates will vary according to the lenders of the platform and their rules and regulations. They provide a user-friendly experience with a focus on pricing easy borrowing experiences to new and no-credit borrowers. Hard Paydays. Hard Paydays is perfect for people who come from a background of self-employment and don't have any credit check loans. At Hard Paydays, you can get loans ranging from $100 to $5,000, with repayment periods between 3 to 24 months, and the interest rates may vary according to the lenders that borrowers have connected with. Hard Payday stands out for its high acceptance rates and efficient online application process, making it a popular choice for those without traditional paychecks. They also have an easy-to-apply application process that you can easily go through to apply for the desired loan amount. Green Dollar Loans. Moving on, we have the Green Dollar Loans. It is a great choice for emergency funding needs for borrowers. Green Dollar Loans provide loans of up to $5,000 with no credit check, and they also have instant approvals on their platform. Green Dollar Loans have a quick and easy application process, and they have approved loans that can be disbursed in 24 to 48 hours. You can get up to 24 months of the loan terms, and they have competitive rates, so you don't have to worry about huge interest rates. Green Dollar Loans also have quick and fast access to the loans according to different user needs. Super Personal Finder. Super Personal Finder is a loan matching platform that connects borrowers with direct lenders and offers loan amounts of up to $50,000. Additionally, they have a high approval rate on their platform, so you can almost get a guaranteed loan. If you are in urgent need of money, Super Personal Finder is a great option to look out for. Moreover, the application process is pretty simple, which borrowers can complete in simple, easy steps that can be done in minutes. How to apply for the no denial payday loans direct lenders only no credit check. Now we know the best platform to apply for no denial payday loans direct lenders only, no credit check. Let's now look into how you can easily apply for these no denial payday loans faster and easier in no time. Here is how you should apply. First, you need to know your current financial situation and what kind of money you need to get out of your current financial situation. Next, gather all the required documents such as the income documents, ID documents, etc. to apply at the lending platforms. This is the most important part of the application process, which is to select the right lending platform to apply for the no denial payday loan direct lenders only, no credit check. Make sure to select a lending platform that is easy to apply for and has low interest rates and faster withdrawal times. Then, you will connect with a lender, and you both agree on a loan agreement stating the loan amount, term, interest rates, etc. Read twice before agreeing to the loan agreement's terms and conditions. That's it, you are done after the above process. Now, you just need to wait for the loan amount to be disbursed into your registered bank account. So that's it for today's topic. To wrap it up, no denial payday loans direct lenders only. No credit check is a great option for borrowers who want to have a loan that is easy to get and guaranteed. Make sure to check out the lending platform that we have discussed in the video, as they have low interest rates and are easy to apply for. Select the right lending platform that aligns with your present financial situation. To visit the official websites of these lending platforms, follow the links in the description below.